Welcome to Explore Epic Travels, up to 60% off hotels, insider tips and travel hacks.
Explore Epic Travels is the ultimate community for travel enthusiasts dedicated to making your journeys more affordable and enriching.
Exclusive members-only deals. We offer exclusive members-only deals, including up to 60% off hotels.
Our members save big on their adventures.
Insider advice. Get the best travel tips from seasoned travelers.
Our community shares valuable insights on destinations, activities, and hidden gems to ensure you get the most out of every trip.
Travel hacks. Learn how to travel smarter and more efficiently.
From packing tips to budget-saving strategies, our hacks will help you maximize your travel experience without breaking the bank.
Supportive network. Join a vibrant community of like-minded travelers.
Life is short. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make your travels epic and affordable.
Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your journey, Explore Epic Travels is here to help you every step of the way.
Join our community now, access unbeatable deals, and start planning your next adventure today.